issued a flash flood warning for
Flash
central
flood
Greenwich County
warning.
in north central Georgia until 1:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:37 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 3 inches of rain have already fallen. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Lawrenceville, Duluth, Snellville, Suwanee, Lilburn, Dacula, Grayson, Mountain Park, Harbin, and Hog Mountain. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. If you see significant flooding, call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-4666 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. At 9 p.m. in Atlanta, it was cloudy.
I'm actually gonna turn off my weather radio for the night because it's
West at 5 miles an hour.
because I need to get some sleep. Good night.